Emotions run high after a judge sentences a victim of domestic violence to jail for failing to testify.
I'm not in a good place right now.
And
I'm sorry about that.
The order did not do anything for you. I hereby find you in contempt of court. I sentence you to 3 days in the county jail. Turn around.
Well, now victim advocates and the legal community say Judge Jerry Collins was out of line, and they question whether she was acting within the law. News 13's Amanda McKenzie joins us live from outside the Seminole County Courthouse. And Amanda, I understand you spoke with that victim.
Yes, Marla, she tells me she just wants to put this incident behind her and move on with her life. She tells me she's in the middle of divorcing the father of their child, who has multiple violent convictions. Now, she says she will not be appealing the judge's conviction, but victim advocates and an attorney I spoke to say while she can't get those 3 days behind bars back, she should fight to remove her criminal status. Called in to face contempt of court charges, Judge Jerry Collins demanded this victim of domestic abuse explain why she did not want to face her abuser at trial.
Your Honor, I'm very sorry for not attending last Wednesday. I've been dealing with depression and just a lot personally since this happened.
You think you're going to have anxiety now? You haven't even seen anxiety.
Judge Collins scolded her for wasting court resources to seat a jury, even though prosecutors were still able to convict her husband without her testimony. He was sentenced to 16 days in jail for choking his wife and coming at her with a knife. The victim communicated that she did not want to testify and even asked for the charges to be dropped so she didn't have to appear in court. But Judge Collins found her in contempt and sentenced her to 3 days in county jail.
Judge, I'll do anything. Please, please.
You should have showed up, and you should have showed up.
I have a 1-year-old son, and I'm trying to take care of him by myself. I'm begging you, please don't.
In that moment, the victim became a convicted criminal.
There's no justice in that.
Carol Wick, CEO of Harbor House, a domestic violence shelter, says this single parent will have trouble finding a job with this on her record and will have to relive the trauma forever.
The odds that she will ever call 911 again when she needs it are slim.
Victim advocates say judges like Collins need more training to handle these cases, while others in the legal world say this judge needs to be reprimanded.
There was absolutely no concerns for the victim's rights.
The victim in this case was left to represent herself against 2 state prosecutors and Judge Collins. She had no public defender or victim advocate in the courtroom.
She should have been given her right to an attorney. She needs to appeal that. 100%. That contempt charge will haunt her.
I am told that Judge Jerry Collins could have opted to sentence the victim to community service or impose a fine rather than jail time. Now, outrage from this courtroom video has prompted at least one attorney to file a complaint against Judge Collins. The judge's office tells me she will not be commenting on this case. Live from the Seminole County Courthouse, Amanda McKenzie, News 13.
Thank you, Amanda. The state attorney's office released a statement defending its decision to ask for a contempt of court hearing.